Today I'm taking you up to Newfound Gap and Mount LeConte to check out the very first snowfall of the season. It's November 9th and the mountains decide to give us an early surprise. Look at this. The trees are already dusted and white. It wasn't even supposed to snow this much, but here we are. It's beautiful, peaceful, and honestly, kind of wild for early November. I'm heading up to the overlook so you can see what I'm seeing. The temperature dropped fast. Everything has a fresh winter glaze, like the mountains woke up and said, yeah, it's snow time. Check this view out. Newfound Gap is completely coated. The roads was a little bit slippery, but still passable, but the mountains were wearing full winter outfits. If you've never been up here during a first snowfall, this is exactly why people love it. And right over there, there's Mount LeConte. It got hit even harder. The clouds are hanging low, the peaks are covered, and the snow is sticking to everything. It feels like a Christmas card, but it's still fall. I just wanted to bring you along because the first snowfall is always something special. It's quiet, peaceful, and honestly, kind of magical. If you're thinking about visiting the Smokies this time of year, pack warm. The weather changes fast up here. Alright, that's the first snowfall of Newfound Gap and Mount LeConte on November 9th. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like these little nature trips, make sure to subscribe so you can come along for the next adventure. And I'll see you in the next one.